Hello my friends, in this video I'll show how a one-shot button works, which can be easily found in the component palette window. This button writes a value to a tag, but it only performs the write operation once. After that, the one-shot button cannot be used, unless another component changes the tag's value. Then the one-shot button can be used again. The video is straightforward, so feel free to watch and I hope you enjoy it.